Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash in the smartest way possible. Today, we have a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. It's the TENSSENX GPS drone versus the LMRC-12 drone. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be epic. First up, let's talk about the price. The TENSSENX will set you back $169. Yep, that's right. It's like buying a small island in the Pacific. But hey, quality comes at a price, right? On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is a steal at just $79. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner date, assuming you actually get dates. Wink. If you're balling on a budget, LMRC-12 might just be your new best friend. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. The TENSSENX comes with a 4K ultra-clear camera, perfect for capturing those high-def selfies with your drone. With a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, you can basically make the next Avatar movie with this thing. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 sports a 1080p HD camera. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a skateboard. Sure, the skateboard gets you around, but the Ferrari makes you look cooler. Dual camera switching and FPV real-time transmission are nifty. But let's be real, 1080p is so last decade. Next, let's talk about flight time. The TENSSENX gives you up to 46 minutes of airtime with its 2 modular batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite Netflix show. Plus, it comes with all the bells and whistles like headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and even optical flow positioning. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The LMRC-12 offers a respectable 26 minutes, which is decent if you're just looking to impress your neighbors or scare some birds. It's got some cool features like altitude hold and hand gesture photo/video, but let's be honest, it's not taking home any trophies for endurance. Portability is key, especially if you're the adventurous type. The TENSSENX folds up like a dream and weighs less than 250 grams. No FAA registration needed. You can literally throw it in your backpack and hit the road. Perfect for those "I woke up like this" travel shots. The LMRC-12 is compact and easy to operate, but it's not winning any beauty contests. It's more like the chubby kid who's good at dodgeball. You appreciate the effort, but it's not exactly Instagram material. Last but not least, let's talk about brains. The TENSSENX is like the Einstein of drones with follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even voice and gesture control. It's basically your personal sky butler. The LMRC-12 has some fun features too, like drawing a flight path on your app and 3-level flight speeds. It's like the class clown, fun and entertaining, but not exactly valedictorian material. Reviewers absolutely love the TENSSENX GPS drone for its ease of use, high-quality camera, and durable build. Many find it to be an excellent value for its price, although some have noted issues with specific features like the auto-return function. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone is praised for its affordability and ease of use, especially for beginners. However, some reviewers have highlighted concerns about its build quality and app functionality. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for top-notch quality and don't mind splurging, the TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and just want to have some fun, the LMRC-12 is a solid choice. Either way, you can't go wrong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our Buy Smart comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd choose and why. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.